Hey! Welcome back to our channel, Quiz Ducky. How good are you at spotting illusions and finding the odd one out? Let's take on this challenge to test your observation. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. Let's dig in. Level 1. It's super easy. Where's an odd cat? Yes, it's right here. Now, level 2. Find the odd emoji out. It's right here. Time for level 3. Find the odd word. Time's up. It's bat here. It's level 4. Guess the animal. You are smart. It's chipmunk. Level 5. Find the odd one out. Hard to find. Here it is. It's level 6. Figure out the hidden animal. It's a penguin. Let's go to level 7. Which animal does this skin belong to? This skin belongs to a tiger. Level 8. Find the odd one out? Yeah, here's the odd one. Time for level 9. Where's an odd cat? Yeah, here's the odd one. Level 10. Find an animal which has no pair. Brown bear is having no pair. Let's change the difficulty level from easy to medium. Level 11. Find the odd one out. Here is the letter M instead of letter N. Level 12. Try to figure out the hidden number. It's the number 405. Level 13. Find the odd one out? It's here. Easy, right? Level 14. Find the odd one out? Here is the odd one. Level 15. Find the odd one out? Yes, here is the odd one. Level 16. Find the odd one out? It's here. Easy, right? Level 17. Find the odd number. It's not the number 54. These are the letters SH. Level 18. Find the number. It's number 2. Level 19. Find the odd one out? This is an odd raccoon. Level 20. Find the odd number. Time's up. It's right here. Now we are again changing difficulty level from medium to hard. Level 21. Find the odd one out? Time's up. It's right here. Level 22. Find the odd number. Here's the letter B. Level 23. Find the odd emoji out? Time's up. It's right here. Level 24. Find the number 7. Here's the number 7. Level 25. Where's an odd cat? Hard to find. Here it is. Level 26. Find the color which has no pair. Pink has no pair. Level 27. Ooh, there's a turtle here. Level 28. Find the odd number. Here's the number 66. Level 29. Find the odd letter. Here it is. Level 30. Guess the hidden word. If you think you know the answer, please take that action or write it in the comments. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time with a brand new video. Bye!